Research in Motion's PlayBook tablet succeeds in being the equivalent of my Windows XP laptop. Both take a full 2 minutes and 30 seconds to boot. That's intolerable for a modern device, but you'll get that with the latest version. If you can put up with that, you'll find the 7-inch tablet to be an able performer with a great screen. It's got good speakers and the ability to multitask. The new integrated email and calendar application synced well with our company's Microsoft Exchange server, and it's easy to use. The jury is still out on whether users want a 7-inch or a 10-inch tablet, and to be honest, I found the small screen constraining, especially when trying to use web-based mail. One solution may be this optional wireless keyboard from RIM, which has a touchpad here at the bottom, and you can use it to pluck small things on screen as well as for double clicking, like a mouse. It's expensive though, at $120, and there are less expensive alternatives. One thing you will have to get used to is the weight. The PlayBook is hefty. The tablet itself is still being discounted by RIM. The 16 megabyte version is $199.